again, more than a dozen round the table, to give thanks that we're together, whether strong or somewhat feeble. The places of honor go to two with whom we started, whose two daughters each brought husbands to the gathering of the clan. Thanks to Dad and thanks to Mom, we all can say. Thanks to those we've loved who now have passed away. They gave us life, enriched our lives with love and understanding. Thanks to Mom and Dad on this Thanksgiving Day.